Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and right here we have to scroll down to find biometrics and password. Now let's tap on fingerprint ID, which should be on the very first position. And here we've got actually the first step of adding the fingerprint. If you've got the pattern, PIN or password, so the screen lock, just I have, then simply enter it and you will be transferred to another step. If not, right now your device will ask you to add the screen lock. So add the pattern, PIN or password, whatever option you'd like to. It is because that if for some reason the fingerprint will not work, the fingerprint sensor, something will be wrong with that, you will still be able to unlock your device without the need to go through the hard reset operation, which will basically wipe out all of the data on your device. So the screen lock is so important, and you will not be able to add the fingerprint without it. So just add it. If you've got one, just enter it like I do. And here you will be transferred to the fingerprint ID, so the options connected to the fingerprint. You can use the fingerprint to unlock the device, access safe, access uplock, autofill usernames and passwords. And right now it depends on you. You can simply tap on new fingerprint or just tap on this switcher, and you will be immediately transferred to the, let's say, operation of adding the fingerprint. So here we've got the animation. We will have to put our finger on the sensor, which will be located right here under the screen. So let's simply tap on add fingerprint. Here we've got also the note about the accuracy of the sensor, which may be affected by the screen protector. So be aware about that. And here we've got the sensor, so let's put my finger on it, and right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. And try to actually press the finger, because sometimes it just don't catch if you will just put your finger on it. Right now we have to enroll the finger, so just add the edges of it. Another one. All right. Okay. All right. As you can see, it may take some time. All right. We just successfully added the fingerprint. We can rename it right now, or just tap on OK. We can do it later on. And here we've got more options. Let's say I don't want to set up face recognition. And as you can see, here we've got the fingerprint list. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can of course tap on it, rename it or remove it if you want to. And here you can add new one, and you can identify the fingerprint. So if you've got a lot of fingerprints added, you can add up to 5, as you can see. Then by tapping on identify the fingerprint, let's pretend that I've got the list of 5 fingerprints here. I can put directly different fingers on it, and then your device will show you which one you're putting on. So that's quite cool. And here you can customize the fingerprint animation, so it's up to you. Here you've got the fireworks, a swirl, or the planet. It's up to you. I will just leave it like this. So let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So as you can see right here, we've got the fingerprint sensor. So let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. So basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.